but it just, I mean, I have on a sports bra so I can show you, but it just stops literally right here.
Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil.
You guys, so let me dry up. I think I need to dry up a little bit because I'm not that dry. I look like I'm about to fly away with these lashes on. It is a little bit too much for me. For some reason I like it, I don't know why. But today I am in, I don't know why my time didn't change. It's approximately 1:02 here in Texas, but it is saying it is still doing what's it called? The time's not going back, so I don't know why. So yeah, I'm about to put on some light makeup on my face because I don't want to do anything heavy. I'm actually going to Cane's. This is my first time having Cane's. I've never had Cane's before, so I wanted to try it, and I've heard so many great things about it. So I'm gonna try it today. I'm actually taking an Uber because nobody's gonna be here to drive me, and I would have drove. I don't know what it is, but I would have drive there, but I'm not familiar with I'm not familiar with the roads, and then secondly, like, the roads are icy, so your girl ain't trying to get in an accident. So I'm just gonna take an Uber, a Lyft. I don't know why. I feel like Uber went up in price so much. It's crazy. Like, it costs so much to take an Uber now. So quick face beat, and then we are on our way. Look at that. You can't even see out the fucking window. That's frost on my window right now. Like, you can't even see it. That's not the camera blurry, that is frost. I don't even know if you guys can really see me, but this is today's outfit. I have on this Howard University sweater. I have one of those faux turtlenecks underneath, which just stopped literally right here. It's not even a shirt, it's just, I don't know if I can show you guys, but I have on a sweater so I can kind of show you. But it just, I mean, I have on a sports bra so I can show you, but it just stops literally right here. So it stops there. I should probably put this tights on better. But yeah, so it stops right there. I have that going on, and then I'm going to, and I have on these tights from Amazon. I have on some, I would link the tights down below. I would also link the sweater down below as well, the turtleneck as well, so they're all easy to find. And then the boots, Uggs, and I wanted to put on like some like black really nice sexy boots. But you guys, honestly, the type of cold that's outside right now, I'm messing with it. Anyway, yeah. So I wanted to do a quick little checkup. So I just went to the mall and I just came from the mall. Sorry, I just came from the mall and I didn't really vlog in there. They had some amazing like art stuff for the Lunar year. I was just showing you guys the Lunar year. I'm a dragon. Hello. Okay, get your life. Get your life. Okay, great. So yeah, what was I saying? So yeah, so they had so much, like so many, geez, so much, so many photos and whatnot of people and Asians and, you know, Asians. So it goes all the way back up there. I have glue on my lashes and I just don't understand how is that, like how is a professional got glue on your freaking lashes. So I got some jeans. I got 2 pairs of jeans. I got 2 pairs of jeans from American Apparel, American Outfitters, American Apparel. Let me double check. I got this a black one here, and this one has rips in it. It has like a black rip jeans, and I thought that would be perfect, not for here but for the weather home. And it has like these little ridge. I thought that was cute, so I got that one. And then I also got where is it? Okay, I also got this one here. So I got this one and it has like the little like I don't know, little faded stripes. I'm gonna put that one on today with like a pair, like a bodysuit with my coat because it's so cold outside. And the only gloves I had, I left them in the car, so the car is 30 minutes away. So, yeah. Anyway, we're actually going to the house tonight, not today, because we're going to dinner first and then we go to the house. So I'm gonna start getting ready because I have to help my cousin get ready, just do her makeup and stuff. So I'm gonna start getting ready and then I will see you guys like when I'm done, right? Peace out, Maneve out. Okay. So yeah, the bag that I'm going to be showing you guys today is this one here. This is by Bottega Veneta. I love all the description of everything of the bag on the side here. It's just one of those chain bags. Honestly guys, this bag is super heavy, and for the chain is heavy, everything is heavy, and I think that's why I was really happy to get my Never Full MM. I don't know if I told you guys that I wanted to repurchase it because I did sell it. I've had it from when I was 19 years old, from when I was in college, and I really wanted a different one, so I did get a different one. So let me just plop this down here so you guys can kind of see what's going on. So yeah, this is my first time seeing snow. I don't know if you guys could actually see the snow. Like you could see it, yeah. This is my first time seeing it. I want to go outside and I want to get dressed. I want to go outside. I want to take some pictures. My phone is rude.